Today's epoxy floor question is, should I do it myself? Should I get the equipment, go down to Home Depot, get everything done, figure out how to do it, make sure that I get it right the first time? Well, you can see what I'm leaning towards. It's not a great idea to go do your epoxy floor by yourself the first time. There's lots of mystery, there's lots of things that you don't understand as you're starting. It takes time and trial and error essentially to build up the craftsmanship of doing a really excellent job. And as you know, these floors are pretty much permanent. Like they go on there and they're going to be there for a long time. You want to make sure that you've done a good job. I don't know if you've ever tried doing Pergo yourself and then all of a sudden it didn't line up. Or you tried to do a renovation and all of a sudden that wasn't working. So let's not mess around. We opened this company, Affordable Epoxy Floors, for a reason. That reason was we wanted epoxy on our own garage floors. We called around and we saw the estimates were incredibly expensive. There was all kinds of extra fees, things that we knew we didn't need. We came from a commercial building background where many of the buildings were done with epoxy floors, hundreds of thousands of square feet, not just a garage. And we learned a few things about how that works. The most important thing was that you shouldn't be overcharged for an affordable epoxy floor. Give us a call or click on the links and we'll get in touch with you and we'll give you a nice fair quote for a beautiful job on your place.